Ready to say goodbye to your big cartel store. We're going to walk you through the complete removal process, step by step, so you can confidently close up shop. First, log into your big cartel account once you're in. Look for the account option, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard. Click on it. This will take you to your account settings now. Navigate to where you can edit your profile and settings. It is usually close to the top. Scroll down through your account settings until you find the close shop link. It's usually at the bottom, and it's pretty hard to miss. Clicking this link will bring you to a confirmation screen. Important, pay close attention to the warning messages here. This screen will outline the impact of closing your shop, including the loss of your store data, product listings, and previous order history. Make sure you understand these consequences before proceeding. If you're sure you want to proceed, tick the checkbox that you understand and that you want to close and delete your store. Finally, click the button that confirms the deletion of your big cartel. This is usually worded as delete or close shop. Your big cartel store is now permanently closed. Remember that all data associated with your store has been removed and your website is no longer accessible. Good luck with your future ventures.